What we do, it was created from scratch. No one had ever approached post-printing with an intelligent solution before.
It's exciting to see that when we put our solutions in place, it transforms our customers' operations.
We rally around putting the right solutions in our customers' hands and removing the 3D printing bottleneck.
No one else is addressing post-printing the way we are, integrating a complete solution of software, hardware, and chemistry.
We're opening up additive manufacturing to reach its full production potential so the market can now explode.